It's not the big hike, it's the tiny wobble you didn't plan for. I am Dev Visagie, and my team and I at PerthGrow work with clients to understand how small changes can have an outsized effect. A modest shift on a $700,000 mortgage can add hundreds per month. Cash flow matters. After the February 2025 rate cut, national prices hit a fresh record in March, showing how sentiment and serviceability directly influence outcomes. Perth values continued rising into mid-2025. Waiting has not made entry cheaper. That's why we focus on building cash flow buffers and yield strategies, so minor rate hiccups don't become big headaches. If you're serious about building WA wealth, follow along. At PerthGrow, we use teamwork to create your ideal outcome.